Hello. So I'm gonna make a big batch of granola. So okay, to my 4 sticks of butter, I'm gonna add in, this is 28 ounces. So not, I don't even know volume wise what this would be, but more than a pint for sure. Peanut butter. This isn't really a recipe of sorts, but it's just, granola is really something you can just dump together. I like to make my granola a little bit more moisture in it. And then I'm going to put in about, I'm going to put in a bag of sesame. Whoa, not here. That's what happens when you're sidetracked. Okay, I'll get back to that in a second. Thank you. So I'm going to do 2 of these.
What are you doing? Making granola. Granola, what is granola? Stuck. One and 2 guys.
Alright, so accidentally sunflower seeds because I was getting ahead of myself. But we're going to heat this up. Can you do that for me? Or you want to show it off?
Well, you weren't going to shot.
We're going to heat that up.
I'm a police. I'm a police. I'm a police.
You're a police?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
Uh-oh, don't arrest
Look
me.
out. Okay, so I kind of jumped the gun, so I don't really have, I'm going to put half of this coconut in here. This, I put in, I think this is 2 gallons, but I can't read it because it's too dark. 2, no, that's a gallon container. So a gallon of oats, yes, there's nuts in here. In our coconut barrel, I had kept some other nuts in there and some of them spilled into here. So there's sunflower seeds and some walnuts, but that won't matter. So I'm going to put, I'm not supposed to interrupt. I'm going to put half of this in the peanut butter granola.
It's peanut butter granola?
It's peanut butter. So I'm going to put in, I have about a cup of chia seeds. I'm going to put half of them in here. That's coconut. Are you snacking? What's that mean?
I'm a police.
You're a police?
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. I think you should put that away and not use it. What is it? Do you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's not put it in your pocket. Let's go put it away. So to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add in 4 eggs. Excuse me. And I know that's not typical. I have seen people do it. I like my granola to be big and chunky. And so this will add in some more glue to hold it all together.
Did you do bad stuff?
I did not do bad stuff.
Anybody that said don't do bad stuff,
How about you take them to jail instead?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But them can try to get out of jail if they're not shot in jail.
I mean, that's true.
This is why I got.
Oh, the movie Great Escape. Some salt, but I think I'm going to wait for that till the wet comes back because some of the clumps are a little large. I'm going to get these eggs mixed in so that when that comes back, it's not going to make scrambled eggs in here.
So where? Come here, Ryan. To where?
Give me your police card.
To where, Mom?
Ryan, give me your police card.
Where's my police card?
Looks like chunky peanut butter with those
Get a gun.
sunflower seeds.
Get a gun, son. Where's the gun? I don't care what the gun is. Well, that's not what police have.
I'm just gonna use the same pan when I make the chocolate. The basic ideas that I have for granola are start with a rolled grain. If I want to add dried fruit or chocolate chips, I wait till it's cool. So for chocolate chips, when it's cool, I'll add that. But if I'm going to add fruit, I wait until I'm serving the granola because I feel like the fruit just softens the grains too much. And I like crunchy, chunky granola. And here I forgot to add the salt into the wet. Or did I? I don't remember. Oh well. Salt again. Although this one has the peanut butter in it, it might be plenty salty without adding more.
Mama, can I try some of that?
No, just open. Just open.
Try a little bit?
Is it good or bad?
Good.
Good. Thank
A
you.
little bit? I can already tell it's good. I can already tell it's good.
Mess. And then this is a full sheet pan. So what you have at home is likely a half sheet. So it'd be 2 pans of granola. Though, might have helped to go a little thinner. But
You could put some of this in it.
that's going in the next batch. The next one is going to be chocolate.
Oh, this is the chocolate.
This one's peanut butter.
But this is the chocolate. This is a good batch.
Thank you. Okay, so
It's good.
now I'm going to give you butter
Give me butter for what?
for you to put. Can you open these and put them in that pan?
In that pan?
That one that Naomi's messing with.
This one.
Okay, so he's gonna put 6 sticks, so 3 cups of butter in here. Tuck the trash right down there so it doesn't blow away for us.
Okay.
So this is about 3 cups of sprouted amaranth. The rest of the coconut, which is about a quart of coconut.
No, it's not all of the coconut.
This is the coconut, baby.
Yeah. And this is the oat.
Yes. About a half cup of chia seeds. Uh-huh. You can put all your butter trash in there. You can put all your butter trash in there.
Okay. But I don't know.
So this, I'm actually going to put the cocoa in here. A gallon of oats.
Yeah, oats. They're called oats, and we make oatmeal with them.
We do.
Yep.
You like porridge, don't you?
And I like oatmeal.
Yeah.
Oatmeal's called porridge.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we make it with amaranth
Yep, amaranth.
and oats. And what other things do we make it with? 4 eggs again.
Yeah,
Are you gonna-
4 eggs. Too.
Not in our porridge, but in our granola.
Yeah, sometimes I put 4 eggs in it, but it's gross when we do that. Oh, I forgot to peel this.
Yep. You got lots more you didn't get peeled.
Yep, lots more.
So that's 4 eggs. I'm gonna work on scraping off my spoon so it can go back in the other bucket.
Yeah. Look it up.
No, I'm still using it, bud.
Well, can we skip out the bowl?
It's still.
When I'm done. When I'm done.
I already asked
Oh, well, you can have one of them and he can have the other one.
I'll take the bowl.
Hey, that's how I do it. I break it in half, then I put it in.
Oh, really?
Yep. We're breaking it. My hands are gonna be all dirty.
Wow.
Yep.
So why do you do it that way?
You know why?
No, I don't.
Because I want to make it have three pieces of butters.
Oh, yeah? Well, you got 4 more to open up over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you get them open with dirty fingers? Wow.
Did you know why? Pigs driving an airplane. What do you call that?
Pigs fly?
Yeah.
Wow.
Fly airplane though.
Could they really do that?
No.
Yeah. So, should I call it a joke?
You could say that to a friend and say, I was just joking. Now.
You're going to break it again?
Yeah.
Mom, what do you want me for?
Pardon?
What do you want me for?
Oh!
Not to be over there because Dad's hunting.
Yes, again.
Still.
Where at?
I'm not sure, so I don't want you not here. When you came back, I thought you were done and back here.
No, I don't know.
I don't have a lot of nuts right now, so that's why
Good butter.
I only added sunflower seeds.
I'm gonna tell the camera something.
Okay, talk loud.
What was I peeling?
You gotta talk loud.
But what was I peeling?
What were you peeling? Butter.
Oh, we put butter in on waffles.
True.
And then that's all I want to do today.
That's all? Okay, can you go over to Lilley and she'll help you wash your hands?
I'll tell. But first, I'm helping. Peanut butter?
Well, I'm done until your hands are clean. Oh, by the way, that was about 3 cups of cocoa. You don't need a recipe for this, though.
For what?
For granola. What I don't know if I said the
You want me to mix it with my hands?
no, your hands are slobbery. Here, I'm gonna have you go wash up with Lilley. So one thing for granola is I keep getting interrupted, so I'm not sure what I've said and what I haven't. So in the wet you want a wet sweetener. You could just use a sugar syrup if you chose, or honey or maple syrup is preferred, and then a fat. And you can use tallow, you can use butter, you can use avocado oil, whatever you choose. I generally choose butter, and I try to always choose honey when I'm doing peanut butter because I think it's super good. And this honey is getting harder to chisel at. I just spilled.
So I set some honey there?
You want to taste honey? Okay, you just stand still. Don't move. When I'm done, I will give you my spoon. Dealio?
Yeah.
You ready for dinner?
Yeah.
Figured.
I'm ready for supper and dinner.
You ready for supper and dinner?
Yep.
Okay, so 3 ladles. Supper and dinner. You're very hungry. Should we do leftovers or food?
Leftovers.
That's a good plan. All right, so I have a question. Which spoon do you want? Good choice. Okay, this one set on this butter wrapper so it doesn't get honey everywhere. Okay, lid it. Same process. I'm gonna go heat this up and I'll be right back. You only have to heat this enough that your butter is melted, and in my case, my honey needs to melt too. If you were using soft oil, like avocado oil, you would not need to even heat it up if you didn't want to. But I need to. This, because the cocoa's in here, it kind of separated, which is normal.
Can I mix that?
Joe, can you come scrape this real quick?
I can.
Whoa, you're gonna knock us all down. Okay, so we got this, and the other 2 sticks of butter in here. We added a little bit more cocoa and tasted it and needed a little more sweetener. So we just added some sugar so it would be fast and easy. So I like granola because it's gonna clump together better if it can press a bit in the pan. So can you pop down and go around to the other side? Thanks, bud. Good pop down. Okay. So, you can handle it. I don't want you touching this. Mama's gonna do it.
I'll help you now.
Naomi, where's the try you hid?
I didn't hide any.
Thanks, bud.
Where was it?
Can you extract some now?
I will give you a clump.
Hey, Mom.
I put on the glove so that it was easier to mix and I wouldn't have to stand at the sink forever scraping my hands. We'll cook it for about 15 minutes and we'll flip it, and we'll try to keep the whole time, because I like the big clumps, I will try to flip sheets of it at a time, and then when it's toasty, I'll pull it out, let it cool, and I'll put it in my restaurant tubs. But it's getting dark, so I'm not going to show you that because I'm going to have to go milk in a few minutes anyway. And I'll have the children watching this. But tomorrow morning, I will show you what our granolas both look like. So this is the next morning. This is the chocolate granola. The peanut butter got a little extra toasty while it was being watched while I milked. So all the good parts of that was eaten before I got this little bit of a video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.